Hi guys.
Yakal nagbuo. Hi guys, hi everybody. So I just got home from the university where I get my exam results. It was not good. At the same time, it was not bad. I don't know, but yeah. So today is Monday and I'm finding some sites where I can sell some house design or anything, since I made some house designs, because I thought I'd be getting that architecture course, but some things didn't go the way you plan it. I used to give that advice to some people before, didn't know that I would use it to myself right now. And while going home, I just realized that yeah, some things really don't go on the same thing you planned, and we have no choice for it to be fine or be good with it, even though we don't really want it. I mean, I had a lot of plan if ever I get the architecture course, but I also have plans like in Manila or something, or somewhere. But yeah, we just need to accept it. But you know, the pressure and everything, like, hi guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. So this is the third take. So it's June 5 and it's 7:55 a.m. and I just woke up, pero I already brushed my teeth. So today I'm going to plan my day. Like, I had to do like to-do lists and everything that I should finish within the day. So this is my new routine because I want to be productive. So this is my old journal. Um, because no first sem namin for the 21st century, I think I had that on vlog. We're required to like have a journal. Hindi siya tapos because I am planning na i-continue siya even though there's no more 21st century subject. But I got so much busy and yeah. So let's plan my day out. For the morning, I am lazy to do my workout because I have mine and my puson is very sakit. I wanna write clean room here, but I guess my room is kinda clean naman and it just needs sweeping and mopping. So this is the to-do list that I'm gonna do this day. It's not a lot because I have nothing to do here naman and there's no classes and everything. So this is homemade drink. Sabi ko, I miss coffee so much kasi yung last ko na coffee is ng graduation pa and hindi na siya nasundan. Miss ko na mag-matcha. Pero this is not coffee. This is just Milo. Tapos nilagyan ko ng counting ng Coke. Kasi nakita ko na it would make a good mixture, a nice flavor, gano'n. Pero siguro dapat tinimin ko ng Coke kasi medyo